Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a beef rigatoni and like a white wine cream sauce. Okay, you can make this with pork ribs, but I just don't think it hit the same with the beef. Anyway, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Don't forget that. Okay, y'all, you can search my name or the title of the book, Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. And without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Okay, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is add some oil to this, to these short ribs. This is beef short ribs, boneless beef short ribs. Okay. Then we're going to salt it with just some salt. We're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. All right, y'all, so we're going to add some oil to this and let it get real hot so that we can get a nice sear. We're gonna add our short ribs. A nice push. Can y'all see it? Maybe focusing. There you go. So now we're just gonna go ahead and remove it. Now we're just gonna add our shallots and garlic. Then we're just gonna deglaze a little bit with a little bit of wine. We'll begin to deglaze, y'all, which means scrape. Hey, y'all can see that. Which means scrape that bottom. You see that? How is this coming clear? Like that. Then we're gonna add our rosemary and thyme. We'll add in a little butter and we're gonna let this melt. Beef broth. Okay, then we're gonna add some Worcestershire. Just trust me, a little squeeze of lemon. That's optional, y'all, but I love lemon, so gonna get this a little mix. Y'all house should be smelling amazing by now. Smash show do. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some seasonings. This is onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add some bay leaves. Mix that in real good, and then y'all, we're just gonna add our meat back in. And we are going to allow this to cook for 3.5 hours. As long as it's tender, we're gonna add these juices too. All right, so what we're gonna get started is this garlic, because we want a nice roasted garlic. So we're just gonna cut the head off of it. And we're not gonna necessarily peel it because we want it to stay together. So we're gonna go in with some oil on it. Then we're gonna add some salt and some pepper. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 45 minutes or so on 350. Okay, now that this is done, very tender, we're gonna shred this. Okay, y'all, so once you take the meat out, you can go ahead and start boiling your rigatoni noodles. We're about to start on the white cream sauce. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some oil. Butter. Shallots. And you just want to cook these down until they're fragrant. We're going to go in, y'all, with some heavy cream. Mix this up real good. I'm going to add in some parsley. We're going to season it with some Italian. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And some red pepper flakes. And that's optional. Then y'all, we have our garlic that's out, so we're going to just squeeze this in there. Just gonna get that a good mix, let it get all together. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some of this white wine, just a little. Add about 1/3 cup of that pasta water, y'all. Okay, our pasta is already done, so y'all know I always say don't throw out your pasta water. So now we're gonna let this thicken for like, you know, 3 minutes or so. We're gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna use this Parmesan, this shaved Parmesan. And I'm going to save some of it. Don't use it all. I'm going to save some of it for topping. Y'all, and I am going to use some of this juice from the meat, because why not though? I was finna throw it out, but why not use some? Okay, as y'all can see, it's getting pretty thick. It's starting to bubble up a little bit. I'm going to add a little rosemary. And now before we add our meat back in, make sure you put some aside for plating. Okay, so we're gonna add this meat in. Let's get that a good mix. Ooh, y'all, it's coming together real nice. Now, y'all, we're just gonna add our pasta in here. Now, y'all, this is done. We can go ahead and plate this up. I forgot to tell y'all, y'all can go ahead and remove that thyme that's in there, or just whenever you make the plates, like you see it, you can pull it out. So now, y'all, we have just a plate of pasta. We're going to add some this meat on top, and y'all, this meat is so damn good. I already tasted it. I can't get my damn fingers off of it. And just add some on top like that. Okay, then just want to add a little bit of this shaved cheese. And some parsley. And if you know me, you know I'm going to add some crushed red peppers. Just have to. Okay. And this is it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. And I must say, I really outdid myself on this one. This one is going to have to go for the second book, y'all. Because I tasted it and I just could not stop eating it. But like always, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
that subscribe button.